Good morning, Jai students. This time I have taken the chapter Weathering Storm in Ersama. So I told you about Prashant that he was there at his friend's house and there was flood and for 2 days it was continuous raining and he equipped himself, means he took a hard stick to touch the ground to see to know whether the depth of the what is the depth in the water. So he started his journey taking that stick. I can see I can show you. See here, he has taken stick, and see here 2 or 3 men are also there, and dead bodies are floating of animals and also of men and women. Where the water was most shallow, at places he it was waist deep, मतलब उसकी कमर तक पानी था, and progress was slow, and at several points he lost the road and had to swim. After some distance, he was relieved to find 2 friends of his uncle who were, means he met with 2 friends of his uncle, and then he decided to move ahead together. तब वो साथ साथ चलने गए. As they waded, means they were walking through the water, the scenes they witnessed that was terrible. Macabre means terrible. They had to push away many dead human bodies, men, women, children, and carcasses of dogs, goats, and little cattle. Means so many animals, they were dead and they were floating. In every village that they passed, they could barely see a house standing. Means all the houses, they were washing away and they washed away. Prashant now wept out, thinking about his family members, and he did not believe that his family could have survived this catastrophe. Catastrophe means disaster. Now, eventually Prashant reached his village Kalikuda, and his heart was went cold because he was thinking none of them would be surviving there. Where their home once stood, nothing was there. His house was not there, and some of their belongings were caught, and something that was in his house, that was there, and dark water, means dark colored water was there. Young Prashant decided to go to the Red Cross Society shelter to look for his family. Then he decided to go to the Red Cross Society to know about his family members. Now, among the first people he saw on the crowd was his maternal grandmother, weak with hunger, and she rushed to him, her hands outstretched, and she hugged him, and her eyes brimming, means she started weeping and tears were in her eyes. It was a miracle. They had long given him up for dead, and quickly, means they thought that Prashant would also have been dead. Now quickly word spread, and his extended family gathered around. All his family members, they came there and they hugged him, and they took a sigh of relief. Prashant anxiously scanned the motley battered group. So see here, motley means damaged, and battered means battered means something damaged, and motley means including their. So motley means all the family members, they were damaged, means they were very disturbed, and they were like hurt, and they were in grief. His brother and sister, his uncles and aunts, they will seemed to be there. All his family members were there, and they were distressed, they were sad, they were upset. By the next morning, as he took in the desperate situation in the shelter, he decided to get a grip over him. He was terrified a little bit. Then he sensed deathly grief sitting upon the 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter, and 86 lives were lost in the village, and all the 96 houses had been washed away, means no shelter was there. It was their 4th day at the shelter, and so far they had survived on green coconuts, because they were eating green coconuts only, and it was their source of survival. Now, but there were too few to go around such a tumult of people. Means they were there they were surviving on the green coconuts, means they were eating green coconuts. And when he observed, there was a loud noisement of people. So Prashant, all of 19 years old, he was decided to step in as leader of his village. He decided to take the position of as a leadership because no one else did, and he organized a group of young youths and elders to jointly pressurize the merchant who were rich, and once again to part with his rice. Means he decided to go to the merchant, and they will ask for giving some rice. This time the delegation succeeded and returned triumphantly. Means he was agreed to give, wading through the receding waters with food for the entire shelter. No one cared that the rice was already rotting. It was not good. Branches from fallen trees were gathered to make fire and to light reluctant and slow fire. Reluctant means something that is not wishing. Now, on which to cook the rice for the first time in 4 days, the survivors at the cyclone shelter were able to fill their bellies, means stomach. His next task was to organize a team of youth volunteers to clean the shelter of filth. Filth means that is dirty, urine, vomit, and floating carcasses, and to tend to the wounds and fractures of the many who had been injured. So he had decided that he will make a group, and with the help of those members, he will just keep clean the area so that they could breathe fresh air. Okay, Jai Hind students.